Imagine a world where the most powerful computer in your office isn't a giant, glowing tower tucked under your desk. A silent, polished slab of aluminum fits in the palm of your hand. For years, we've been told that many meant compromise. We were told that he wanted real power, a kind of power that handle AKVO trains complex AI models and compiles millions of lines of code. It'd pay the pro tax. You had to buy the Studio or the Mac Pro or a liquid-cooled PC that sounds like a jet engine. But today, the rules of the game have been set on fire. Behind the glass walls of Apple Park, a revolution has been brewing, and its name is the Mac Mini M5. If you're watching this, you're likely at a crossroads. You've seen the M4 Pro and it was impressive. But the M5 isn't just a step forward. It's a total architectural reset. According to the deepest supply chain leaks out of Taiwan and internal roadmaps that were never supposed to see the light of day, the M5 Mac Mini isn't just an upgrade. It's a Mac Studio killer. In the video, you'll understand why the tech industry is as shock, why the 256GB base model is finally dead, and why your current desktop is about to feel like a relic from the 1990s. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the M5 Silicon. We aren't just talking about more cores. We are talking about the debut of the Fusion 2.0 architecture. For the first time, Apple is using a 2-nanometer fabrication process from TSMC that defies the laws of physics. The M5 chip features neural accelerators baked directly into every single GPU core. This isn't just a CPU. It's a Deakin AI engine. Imagine having 153 gigabytes per second of memory bandwidth on the base model. That's 30% faster than the M4. When you click render on a 4K timeline, the M5 doesn't just process the data, it anticipates it. But the real story is the M5 Pro. The leaks suggest a 45% jump in GPU performance. Let that sink in. A 45% leap in a single generation. Then incremental. That is a vertical climb. The M5 Pro Mac Mini is rumored to feature up to 18 CPU cores and a 40-core GPU. In early leaked benchmarks, this budget desktop is outperforming the M2 Ultra. A $1,200 box is beating a $4,000 workstation from just 2 years ago. This is the democratization of elite power. It means the developer in a dorm room now has the same firepower as a senior architect at a Fortune 500 company. Now, let's talk about the hardware itself. For years, we had the same silver box. But the 2026 redesign is all about third sovereignty. Apple has reportedly moved to a phase change when there are no tissue fans that collect dust and create noise. It's that. The M5 Mini uses a liquid-wet thermal interface that pulls heat away from silicon self-fissurely, and the entire chassis acts as a heatsink. It's silent. Completely eerily silent. Even when you're pushing a 3D render in Unreal Engine 5 or training a local LLM, the Mac Mini stays chilled to the touch. It's a ghost in the room doing the work of a titan. And then there's the connectivity. Apple is finally killing the past. The M5 Mac Mini is expected to be the first to feature Thunderbolt 6. We are talking about data transfer